What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So, as you guys seen by the title, today, Tradeify, well, yesterday, Tradeify moved us to live. So, let's go check out the letter. So, congratulations on your transition to live funded account at Tradeify. We are thrilled to announce you that you earned a place as a live funded trader at Tradeify because you're the man, you're the best, you're consistent, and we're proud to have you on our team. All right. Transition to live funded. So as of right now, I need to wait from today to at least 2 weeks. I can't trade any account. Here, if you guys want to read it, I'll just wait for now. Well, you guys can pause it. All right. So anyway, in recap, all my accounts are gone technically because they are getting transitioned to live. So later on, I'll go read about what's the benefit of going live. I know that there's like milestone where if I made certain profit, I get money back or something. I don't know how it goes. I know there's uncapped payout and daily payouts, and there's some other good stuff, right? But as of right now, I can't trade my Tradeify, so yeah. And I mean, that's pretty cool. That's the first time I'm gonna go live. Now, I don't know if it's gonna actually benefit me or not, but yeah, so that's the message. All right. If you guys want some proof, so here is, I think this is February, right? Anyway, this is 2026. 3K, 2K, 3K, 2.5, 1.3, 3, 3. All right. All of this, turn that into CAD, right? Here's more proof. This. And those are not yet to be paid out. So we'll see if they're gonna send it today or next Monday, right? But regardless, all of this, turn that into CAD because this is USD. I'll be looking around 46,500. So very nice. All right, now that we are done, today, as you guys know, no more Tradeify, right? Because I have to wait. So I had my 5 take profits. Now, all the month, so previous week, this week, and this week, right? I've been killing it, right? Making profit. Now today, I took an L, right? Normal. Sometime we just take L's, right? The thing is, since I didn't have my 10 accounts, I was actually, now in the moment, I'm thinking about it. I should have, just took my one trade, called it a day, and I can still, at least generate some money, right? But no, I was like, now I have to wait maybe 1 to 2 weeks. I don't want to wait. And I ended up just taking more than I'm supposed to take and blowing all my take profit accounts. Now, in the big scheme of thing, right? What did I pay? I pay maybe $600 for 5 account for 550Ks and made, well, 46,500, at least 25K from them, right? So it's still good. But yeah, the whole reason I got 5 accounts on each, Tradeify and take profit, is to keep myself accountable. Because if I make, for example, if I overtrade, it's gonna hurt very, very bad, right? But now that I only have 5 accounts, I mean, I can show you guys this, but there's nothing. Yeah, I took the first trade, I over risked. I was risking 1K for 2. I'll show you guys the recap real quick. Draw was very, very, very obvious. But like I said, sometimes it just happens. Now, if I had still my Tradeify's account, it sounds like an excuse, right? But it's actually true. I would have taken my loss and moved on. But for take profit, I was actually thinking of buying maybe 150Ks or stuff like that. So this going in my mind and the Tradeify situation, I just decided to overtrade. Anyway, coming into market, we swept London lows, kept pumping. 939, we filled this bullish gap, we kept pumping. Now, while trading, I didn't see that we have this gap, right? If I seen that we had this gap, the whole situation could have changed today, but doesn't matter. 944, we fill this gap, we go up, right? Now, obviously, where is price going? We're gonna go to these highs, right? 948, I'm in. My stop loss is right there. I'm risking 150 for 300 ticks, and it's a 1 to 2, right? Right away, I get stopped out 3 minutes later. I'm like, no way, I'm down 1K right now. Then I'm like, all right, so what am I gonna do, right? Like I said again, this gap, I didn't even see it. If I seen it, I would have taken it, stop loss here or whatever, right? Long story short, I have 500 and 500 left, right? Technically, and just ended up taking some trade that made sense, but you know, it's that I'm not supposed to take, and just long the accounts. So that's that. Here guys, I'm gonna show you something real quick, so I'll put it on the screen. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm doing pretty well, but as of right now, my Tradeify are going live, so I can't even trade them, and my take profit are gone. So of course it's gonna pause the challenge in a way, but the challenge is, it was just a challenge, you know, to actually push me and have a goal, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. I will probably get some 150Ks. I'm not sure though. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do, so I'll see. Well, yeah, I'm just yapping at this point. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go check Tradeify out. What is the benefit of going live, and what is there to do, right? Afterward, honestly, if I get 150Ks, I don't even care about Tradeify anymore. But of course, I'll trade it with them. But 150Ks, I can risk 1,000 for 2,000 and make 10K days, which is what I was aiming for in the first point. That's why I got 2 accounts, right? 5 Tradeify, 5 take profit. But I'll see. Yeah, I'll see. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. First time going live this month. The best month. I mean, I made half 100 racks, you know. And yeah, I'll see you guys Monday. Thank you guys for watching.